That was the thing. When I got in the first consultation call with him, I brought up these points. He said, you are the exact person that I was looking for a long time. He just had the regular way, getting the contractor, getting an architect, and he did some things that he likes, make that clean and simple. And then 5.5 years later, he's like, I have outgrown my space for a while. It's getting so much chaos in my business because my staff doesn't have a right place to put the supplies. Everything is going out of order. So it's just like, wow. If you're a smart doctor, you learn from other doctors' experiences that they burnt out. They went through the practice and they're like, oh my God, like this is my life. Like I have to move after 5 years again. Beside all the legal stuff, finding the new broker, finding the new space, move your entire practice, move your patients to another location. If you've done it right, that's why I have it in one of the videos, do it once and do it right. This sentence, it really resonates with them because I know they went through the pain. I know it hit their heart to the center because they're so in it every day. It creates so much clutter in their head. They can't see around themselves and zoom out because they're so passionate to help the patients, to get them like it's their lives and they're truly passionate, but they're so in it they cannot zoom out. And when I zoom out for them or Simour zoom out for them, they intuitionally they know it feels right.